Hey, want to create an aesthetic Instagram post like this? Let's go. First, you open your Canva. I'm opening mine. And then on the left hand side, you see this Instagram post square option. Now you click on it. I like this template, so I'll be working kind of on this only. This is my inspiration. So I add a page because I like this color. I will stick with this color. So now what I'm thinking is of a leaf background, so I'll just quickly type leaf background in the elements option. We are working with a free version of Canva, so we cannot like take pro options. Oops, ये क्या हो गया, पीछे हो गया. It's okay, we are back. So I like this template. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply elements because I don't like the color. Now the elements are here, but I like the green color only, so I'm taking that option and I'm like Control C, Control V. And now you can see this how the sleeves are ऐसे छुपा हुआ. What I'm doing right now is I am basically I selected the leaf. I'll do it again, I'll show you. So basically you select the leaf, you click on the color option and you change the color. I like this beige color and I'm quickly now aligning all my elements. Done. So now I want a frame, so I'll just quickly search for a frame. What the idea that I'm thinking of is like a newspaper frame kind of. So I'll just search that. By the time I search, I just want to give like a tip that always use consistent fonts and colors to keep your post look like very professional in nature. Because like if you customize the colors and fonts and add icons accordingly, you should always keep that in mind. So yeah, I like this frame, so I'll just work with it now. I'm just aligning it according to my template. This is nice. Now what I'm thinking is of copy pasting it, so I just copy pasted the above frame because I did not find like an appropriate frame right now. I'm just removing the picture because I don't like it. And 1 second, what is happening? Yeah, but so I'll do the same thing. I'll copy paste the smaller frame as well and I'll just add it in here. Now I'll just change the color, that beige color, into brown because I don't like that right now. Done. I'll do the same thing with the bigger frame as well. I'll copy the beige. So now you can see that this is on top of the frame, so I'm just gonna click on position and arrange it back and again align it properly. Now you can see that these leaves are on top of that beige border, so I'll just do the same thing, position, arrange it towards the back, and now I'm reducing the transparency as well, like so that it matches the aesthetic. Now what I'm gonna do is I'll search for a good aesthetic picture. I want something around the idea of photography, so I want like a girl or a man or a person like holding a camera. So I'll just quickly search a aesthetic photographic picture. One bonus tip is that always use these Canva free photos as they're very high quality pictures and it will just elevate the post. So I like this girl, so I'm using this, and what I'm trying to see is something similar to it again. I want like a camera, good aesthetic camera of this like black and white themed. I like this vintage camera. So yeah, I am done with the post. Wait 1 second, I'll just change the color. I changed the color. I like it, so I'll go ahead and download it. If you are happy with your post, you can go ahead, hit the share button and then download it. I want to just download the first page, so I'll just like the second page, so I'll just click on second page. I'm downloading it in a PNG format. If you like this tutorial, then hit the like and share button and subscribe button and let me know what you want next.